My name is Donaldson, DO, and I'm excited to be a part of Jupiter Concierge Family Practice. So I'm originally born in Pensacola, Florida, was raised in Fort Wayne, Indiana, but I'm very excited to come back home to Jupiter, Florida. So I grew up in medicine. My father is a physician, and I got to see the impact he would have on his patients and just the skills he had to really impact people's lives for the better. And it's something that I always admired and wanted to follow. My wife is from Jupiter. They've been there for longer than 30 years. My wife grew up and went to even school at Jupiter Christian Academy. I knew Dr. Rosenberg around medical school and got to meet him because I was interested in functional medicine. And I got to shadow him for a month of medical school, and we stayed in touch ever since. It feels like it's been meant to be, and we're coming back home to Jupiter. What I love most about the concierge medical model is I feel like you get to practice medicine the way it was supposed to be. The way conventional medicine, Western medicine is set up, you're seeing, and the paying structure, how it works is you're seeing like 40 patients a day if you're in primary care. And when you're seeing 40 patients a day, you don't get to truly get to know the person. Concierge medicine allows you time with the patient. I feel like Dr. Rosenberg, with his view of medicine, it's really more about the science of creating health instead of just managing chronic disease. And our bodies are just so complicated. There's so much to them. There's like 37 billion reactions happening every second in our body. There's so much to learn about it, but there's also so much that we need to spend time talking about to understand what each person's going through to help get to the root cause of disease. And that's why I really enjoy the concierge practice. My goal for my patients is really as simple as this: have each of them feel like they're cared for in a personal way. There's no goal specific I have for each patient. That's for them to decide. At 80 years old, are you going to want to go on a hike for 3 miles in the mountains? And that would be doable. We just got to make sure we have specific goals and a plan to be able to get to that point. My goal is for them to feel cared and loved for and feel like they have a place that they feel connected to. To tell you a little bit about myself outside of medical practice, I really enjoy staying healthy. So I enjoy being able to get to the gym and work out. I enjoy sports. I grew up playing basketball in Indiana and still love playing basketball and golf. One thing I really enjoy outside of practice is spending time with my family. I have 3 kids, 6, 4, and 2, and a beautiful wife. Really enjoy doing everything outside, whether it's going to the park, going to the beach. I feel like you'll get the best care here at Jupiter, and I feel like you will feel known here. It's one of the most healthy practices I've ever experienced, and I feel like each patient will feel cared for and truly at home when they come here to Jupiter.